In fact, you will love this AI class. You will see things that you have not seen before. Just follow up with this training. Let the practical begin. The image we converted to video. You can see how it look like. So see this dog and the cat, both of them, they are on the road driving. It's just a simple command that I issue with ChatGPT that it should generate a video, an image for me that I can use to create a video. And this image should be dog and cat. Immediately I finish typing the text, I send it and ChatGPT displayed the image you are seeing there now. That's what brought about the image. Imagine a cat and a dog driving on the road. So all these things, they are things that you can easily do. That is why this class is there. Now look at another one. A lion in the city chasing people. So these things, AI will make all these things to be easy for you. For example now, I also issue the prompt for AI to generate a lion attacking people in the city. So before we know, this is just the results you are seeing on the screen now. And we all know how to have taught us how to type on ChatGPT. So I've taught us how to type on ChatGPT, and I know that you can do that. It's very easy. Just type it and send it. ChatGPT will create the image for you, live and direct. So you can see how wonderful the picture look like. Now look at another one. I also issue a prompt for this one. And the prompt that I issued, that I instructed the ChatGPT to make both of them be in the house. That is watermelon and cat, two of them in the house. And you can see the cat himself, you can see the bike that he was driving the other time. The bike is inside the house. So you can combine different pictures like this and begin to use them to tell stories. All you need to do is for you to issue the command on what watermelon will say and what the cat will say, and click generate. You will see the AI command begin to generate the information and make two of them to be discussing. Now look at another wonderful one. Banana and watermelon on the road discussing. And that is why most of us we used to see all those cartoons in the television and the rest, where they are cartoon, they are discussing, and you know that story very well. And our children or our younger ones, they prefer watching the cartoon than watching normal film, because they are seeing things that is giving them joy. If you look at the cartoon now, the watermelon, look at the step, the shoe, everything they are putting on. Even the banana, look at their eyes, their nose. Is looking funny for children. So these are the things you will be creating. You can create these things. Now, being the first scene of this banana and watermelon, you can just say they should be discussing on the road. As they are discussing on the road, after that, they will be in another place of the road, like you are seeing now. This is another different setting. They are in another place of the road. They are discussing. You can also issue the command to say that, okay, it should display the place where they have gotten home. It should display the place where they have gotten home, and maybe they are eating. You see, it's just for you to be very, very creative and be thinking of what you will ask ChatGPT to give to you, and you will get it. When you get all the pictures together, you begin to make each picture to begin to discuss. They will be speaking in video. We will come to that class anyway. We will enter that stage. How to make all this image now to begin to communicate between themselves. So we are going to come to that stage. We are taking it one after the other. What we are learning now, we have deeper side of it. So this is just the beginning and bringing out for us how to get most of ChatGPT is bigger and wider than what people think. So today we are going to be seeing most of the secrets behind ChatGPT. It can do a lot of things. Some of you are just using it in the surface area, while some of you in this group might have known so much about it as well. So if you have known much about it, do not use it to distract others, because there are other people that want to learn here. So anything you know, whatsoever we are teaching here, if you know it, good and fine. During the lecture process, you can join and be contributing, be responding to people in the group for answer, and maybe they ask question, you answer them. uh So that is what you can do, so that when it gets to the one you don't know, you learn alongside with everybody also. So we are not leaving anyone behind. So because why I'm saying this, I know that some of us, we have this AI knowledge, but many people don't know it yet. So that is why we want to expose this secret to them, so that they can create powerful videos. So make sure you are ready for this AI class. And so you remember, we are taking all these things step by step. We have been able to create a Rumble channel, and the Rumble channel is monetized. Now we want to teach you how to build content that will help you to be uploading on your channel. So don't forget that you have to follow the class step by step. This is the only way for you to achieve the best. The best. If you don't follow the class, you will never understand what we are doing in this group. But when you follow the class step by step, then you will be able to cope. Before let's say the 2 weeks time, you'll be doing something that you have never done before. And I really want us to concentrate. So I will be taking us into the practical session now. So look at this picture. This is my picture. I use one of my picture to ask AI to create this image for me. And if you look at the image, it's looking very nice. And what I did there is that I issue a prompt on ChatGPT, which is one of the AI tool, that it should use this image to be in office where they will be writing. So I issued a prompt that it should give me a prompt that will enable me to be writing in an office, and the office should look presentable, good. And as soon as I send it, and the ChatGPT generates the image for me, and immediately the message display. The same thing applied to this image you are seeing here. Is one of my picture also, that I asked ChatGPT to dress me up in a Yoruba pattern, that after dressing me up like that, and I should be speaking to the people about kind of news, telling them things that will happen in Nigeria. That is why you saw the flag there, green, white, green. because it was what I issue. I was talking about me making an announcement, and kind of in a presidential place of in form of a president. Yes, that was what I applied on my prompt. So you can do anything. You can do anything. Now look at another picture. You can create any kind of picture with ChatGPT, with AI. So it's just a matter of you knowing what to do and be creative. Know exactly what you want. Immediately you get that message, that creativity alone will make you to do exploits. So this picture, this is my picture now. I asked ChatGPT to make me to be in a house sitting with a white man while we are discussing. I will be writing. So it's just the prompt that I issue. After issuing the prompt, and immediately I send it, and it brought these two pictures you see that is appearing here now. So there is a lot you can do, but one of the things I will not advise people is not to use this AI tools to be doing negative things, as in, many people prefer to do negative things than good things. That is why we are here teaching you genuinely, as in, we want to teach you how to make money genuinely using AI tools, using affiliate marketing, using all the things, even those rumble channel, monetization, and the rest. We want to give people all the knowledge they need to know for them to be making genuine money online. So that is why we are out. We are out to give you the best. So this is just one of the video for AI you are seeing now. There are many other videos that will be playing alongside. Wow, this is another wonderful one. I instructed ChatGPT to give me a prompt that of a young man. This is not my picture. This is another prompt that I issued, that it should give me a prompt of a man discussing in a kind of hall, telling people about the 2027 election. So it was this. That is the prompt I issue for ChatGPT, and immediately I send it. This is the result. This is what's up display. So you can do anything. You can do anything. Just be creative and think of what you want. Immediately you get that creativity, that message, that information, type it or copy it inside ChatGPT and begin to generate what you are looking for. It will give you exactly what you want if you know how to issue your prompt. Are you getting it? So that is how it is. Now look at another one. This is a dog, and if you look at it, you will see that the dog look very real, as in life, as in dog that, how will I call it now, as in original dog, as in not fake one. It doesn't look like we use AI at all, though this one is we generated this image now from a paid version anyway. So maybe that's why this one look more real. So you see, you can issue any prompts with ChatGPT, and it just, we are starting with only ChatGPT now. So we'll soon be entering other AI tools. So let's be going with ChatGPT. Now look at another image that we generated. Is about a pineapple and dog. They are on the road discussing. But how I issued the prompt, I said, give me a prompt about a dog and pineapple discussing on the roadside, while watermelon sitting under the tree crying. So immediately I issued this prompt. This is what the result that displayed. So you can really do a lot with ChatGPT. Many of us don't know what the secret behind ChatGPT. Some of us are just using it to generate just to get information that they will use for maybe for to drop tests, to compose tests. No, it's more than that. These things I'm telling you now. Okay, now look at this setting now. You can create as in generate different images, and make them to look like, for example, now that first image now was pineapple and dog and watermelon on the road. Now that one now have his own way. You can use it to create a video. Now that pineapple, watermelon now and dog now, look at them here again in a village school for graduation party. Now this graduation party now, you can, is another type of video. You can tell, well, we'll come to video aspect anyway. We are just starting. Let's finish this image, how to generate image. Let's round up with it. Our next AI class, we are going to discuss about ChatGPT. About each of these image, how they are communicating within themselves, how they are discussing. We are going to be seeing more of them. So this one, I issued a prompt that it should give me the graduation setting, and this is the result. Now look at another one. This is another wonderful one, a very neat and sharp. Is watermelon. I issued a prompt. I said it should give me a prompt about a watermelon that have big eye, big nose, ears. It should have a mouth, hand, and leg walking on the street. Now, do you know that after issuing this prompt, and this is the result, and I can do more of this one. Now, I can also ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt on how this watermelon now walk from the roadside to his house, how he was sitting on the front of his house. Then that is another one. I can also issue a prompt to tell ChatGPT now to give me to a prompt that this the same watermelon now is sitting in his room and be eating. And then that is about three of it now. All these things I'm saying now, gathering all the pictures so that I can use them to create video. So we are coming, we are still coming. Don't worry, video aspect is coming. So we are just starting. That's why I said we are going to learn a lot. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot to learn. So that is how this thing work. So it's just a matter of you understanding how the thing work, and it will work for you. It will work for you. So that is why most of the times in some of my video I will say that you can be creating content for every 30 minutes and post. You see all these things I've been saying since now. Assuming I'm creating this content now, I would have finished creating it within 30 minutes and post it. It will not stop me from my normal business. While I'm dropping content on my channel so that my dollar will be increasing, I will be doing other things. Thank you very much. I really appreciate every one of us. I believe we enjoyed this training session. And please don't forget to subscribe